What do you want, honey? What do you want? Show me what you want and I'll get it for you. What do you want? Show me and I'll get it. Come on, come show me what you want. Which one? Alright, come show me which one. Where? Which one? You want this one? Yeah? You want that one? No? You don't want that one? You want this one? You want this one? We have a winner! Jaron! You want them all, don't you? You gonna get wet. You gonna get wet.
Pull out the other one, Jaron. There you go. Now pull out another. What the crap was that?
Yeah, see, you got wet.
Yay!
That's the ice one. That's the water one.
Yay!
What do you got going on over here? This is the Tupperware cabinet?
This is the holy meat sphere.
My husband, who has to wear latex gloves to make hamburger patties.
Because mushing up a bunch of raw meat and egg in your bare hands is absolutely revolting.
Jaron, what you doing? You're making quite a mess there, buddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Jaron, bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, you don't even care, do you? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.